Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. I hope you guys are doing great today. Today's video is going to be a very casual chit chat, get ready with me style video because I have a few new products with me which are technically new. I may have tried a couple of products here and there, but I haven't really shown them on my channel, and I was going to try and test out the products. So I thought let me film the video so that you can see what I am doing. So yeah, basically just a chill video today. If you guys are interested to hang out with me, then do continue watching. Okay guys, let's get started with today's video. So I have nothing on my face, just the prep which I usually do, skincare prep and lip balm. So we are going to start off with the base makeup first. Let's do something different, something interesting which I don't usually do because I am also not an expert at it, so I usually don't do that. But let's try to do some color correction today before we apply the foundation, and the concealing also I will do before the foundation. So we'll try something new today. So I'm using this LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade orange. So this is the orange corrector. So any sort of darkness which you have on your skin can be corrected with the orange corrector on our kind of skin tone. And if you have lighter skin tone, you can use a little bit of a lighter orange corrector which is a peach toned. So I will use this deeper orange corrector. So I'll just apply very tiny, nothing too crazy. Since I don't do this a lot, I don't have a lot of practice. So basically whenever I feel I have darkness. So the brush which I'm using, this one is the Zoeva brush. This is the concealer buffer brush. Blend it out nicely so that it's not too stark. Okay, next I will apply some concealer. The concealer which I'm using today are two concealers. So one is the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in Dark 40 and the Urban Decay Naked Correcting Concealer. So using the Colourpop concealer first, we can go a little bit light on the concealer because I will apply foundation on top of this. So even if the concealer is a little light, it's okay. So trying something new today. I normally don't do it, but thought let me try this technique out today. So I'm blending the concealer out with the beauty blender. I totally forgot to apply primer. I had got the Fenty Beauty primer. It's on a new product, but I wanted to apply it. It's okay. Let's just go with it. Ideally, I would apply a primer before. Okay, now let me apply the foundation. My concealer is done. So I will be using the Milani Screen Queen foundation. I have done a full review video on this foundation, so not talking too much about this foundation. I will just leave the video in the description box. I'll just apply this foundation on my face. Wherever I have the concealer on, that area I'll just be very careful and pat the foundation on so that I don't move the concealer or the color corrector. Just making sure I have blended every part of my face properly. So foundation is done. Next I'm going to apply a little bit of highlighting concealer. What was that? Little bit of highlighting concealer. The Urban Decay Stay Naked Concealer in the shade 50WY. I do like the consistency of this concealer, but it's a little too light, so I use it for highlighting. I will also try out contouring a bit. I don't do too much contouring as well. Today we are just going to highlight and apply a bronzer, but yeah, I'm opening up to the idea of contouring. Such a nice highlight. This concealer is really good for highlighting for my skin tone, this shade. It brightens up the center. just a little bit on the forehead and little bit here. Okay, now I'm going to powder my face. I'm going to use the Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. It's a really good powder for dry skin. It has a little bit of a slight glow to it, so that's why I really like the powder. Just patting it on. So the powder is going to lock everything in place. It's not going to move. Your concealer, the foundation. This foundation, if you have seen my review, I had mentioned that it stays a bit tacky. I love the finish of this foundation. It's natural matte finish, but it stays a bit tacky. So I prefer setting this foundation. There are a lot of foundations which are matte or natural matte, which I don't like to set. But this one, I really like to set it. It gives a better finish for longer. Okay, I think powder is done. Now I'm going to bronze and blush later. Let's go on to eyes. Now for eyes, I have a new primer. I didn't have any eyeshadow primer, so I purchased a new one. I have a small Too Faced shadow insurance which I'm like using little by little every single time. So I thought it's high time I need to buy a primer. So I got the ABH primer. I have tried a little bit on the back of my hand. It's really long wearing. The primer feels very nice. So let's try it on the eyes, and it feels like the primer is waterproof as well because it stayed super long on my hand at least. So it has that white sort of color, so I'll not apply too much. My phone starts to talk on its own. Why? I don't know. And it's really, texture is very nice. It feels like a very lightweight texture. So for eyeshadow, I'm going to do a very fun look today. So okay, we are going to use the Escape Pod palette. I haven't used it in any tutorial, but I've used it in other videos, and just to play around, I have used it to create simple eye looks under the mask. Yeah, it's the tragic story nowadays, but anyways, the packaging is just so pretty. This is the Kaleidos makeup, the Escape Pod palette. They are an indie brand. They are quite popular in the indie makeup zone. They create beautiful eyeshadows. I have 4 of their other Kaleidos palettes. They are also very nice quality, and when I had seen this palette, I had to get it. This is how this palette looks like, full of colors, very fun shades. They have beautiful matte colors, and their shimmers are outstanding. They're out of this world. And in this palette they have duochromes, and whenever there are duochromes involved, I am super interested to buy that palette. So that's why I got it. So I have created one or two more looks with this palette. They have been up on my Instagram. One is a coral look, one is a more colorful green, brown, not brown, blue look. But today we are going to do maybe a fun blue pink look with the duochrome shades right here. Okay, I just realized blue and pink look, I'm pretty sure it's going to turn purple. So get ready for a purple eye look. Let's get started. I don't want to make this video too long. I'll probably speed through the process, but if I have to say something, I'll do a voiceover. I'm basically doing this pink, this blue. I will not touch the purple, hopefully. I will touch the pink, blues, brown, and these two shimmer. That's my plan. So let's see how it goes. These mattes, they just blend into each other. They just are effortless to blend into each other without looking muddy or anything like that. They're so easy to work with. One of the best matte formulas I have tried. I forgot to zoom in the camera, so later I will give you a close-up for sure. So how is 2020 going for you guys? Where are you and how is the situation there? Do let me know in the comments below. We are doing pretty okay. The kids have gone back to school. The schools have reopened completely, and cases here are coming down. So we are hopeful that things are going to get better. Office has not started, so my husband is still working from home, but I definitely get more time to do things because the kids have gone to school. Till a vaccine is found, I don't think things are going to be normal. So this year has been quite a drab. I mean, can you imagine, it's already August and I don't even remember when was the last time I went for a holiday, like an actual holiday. Seriously, I am so thankful that we decided to vlog our travels. Otherwise, I would have completely forgotten everything. Look at that shift in that color. It's purple, blue. So pretty. I'll apply this. So this palette, the Kaleidos makeup palette, some of you had asked me where did I buy it. You can buy it from their website. They ship from Hong Kong, I think, if I'm not wrong, or Shanghai, I don't really remember. So you can directly order from their website. Okay, so I am using this one now, and I'm using the Kaleidos makeup brush. This is also a duochrome color. Okay, I think I'll apply a little bit of brown. This brown in this palette is beautiful, so pigmented, and it is a really pretty tone of brown, so you can use it for like everyday brown shade. Okay, I think that's about it. I'll complete this eye and be right back. Ta-da! So my eye look is done and I have popped on some lashes. Wanted to be a little dramatic today. I'm wearing the Kiss Ritzy lashes. I had bought them from US. So I have applied the mascara, they are real from Benefit. Then I've used the Chambor long wear kajal in royal blue, and I have a video on these eyeliners, so I will leave that in the description box. And I've used the Urban Decay Perversion for the upper lash line. Applied the lashes, done my brows with the Nabla Brow Divine, one of my favorite eyebrow pencils, and I've kind of contoured and bronzed my face all in one with the Benefit Hoola Caramel. This is one of my favorite bronzers plus contouring product. I think it really complements my skin tone. It's not too warm, not too neutral. It can work as a bronzer plus a contour. It's amazing. So a lot of you guys asked me for bronzer recommendations. I will highly recommend this one. If you're close to my skin tone, I'm NC44, the Benefit Hoola Caramel. Amazing formulation. Let's apply some blush. So for blush, I have this new blush from Milani. This is the Coral Crave, right? Coral Beams, sorry. So Coral Beams blush, and this has the blushes. These are the 3 blushes and 1 highlight kind of shade. So that's what I'm going to use today. First, taking the colors. It's a really subtle pinky coral blush. So for a dramatic eye look, this will be a good one. Gives a nice color to the face. And I will use the same highlight. So this one is a very subtle highlight. So just applying on top of the blush. This highlight blends so nicely with my skin tone, and it's a really subtle color, so love that. Okay, so wearing a lot of Milani products today. The foundation and the blush. Okay, the lipstick is also going to be Milani, so let's apply that. Okay, so that's the lipstick. I purchased a new shade of the Milani Amore Satin Matte lipsticks. This is the shade Classic, and yeah, it's sort of a mauvey purple toned lipstick. And you guys know how much I love the Milani Amore Matte Satin lipsticks. I have them in my best liquid lipstick formula video as well. So love this lipstick formula, so I purchased this new shade. I think it's pretty nice. It's really pretty, and I think it complements the eye look also very well. And I will apply a little bit of setting spray. So the setting spray which I used is the Colourpop setting spray. Okay, so that's it guys. That's my finished makeup look for today. I'll definitely give you some close-ups here. Do let me know how you like this look. I enjoyed playing with the colors today. I just want to sit down and just do my makeup. So I really enjoyed it. I hope you got some ideas at least from this video. I will feature all of these products in upcoming videos, so do check them out. And if you have any questions for any of the products which I've used today, then just drop your comments in the comment section below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. So yeah, that's my finished makeup look. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, then please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're watching for the first time, I hope you'll consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys really soon in my next video. And also do follow me on all my social media. I have them listed in the description box as well. Bye.